Hi everyone, welcome. In this video we will learn how to launch a pre-sale on RobinSmith Launchpad. In the previous video we learned how to create a token on the Robinhood chain using this launchpad robinsmith.fun, and here is the token. The name is SMITHY on Robin and the symbol is SMITHY, and here is the contract address. The token supply is 100 million. So now we will uh, create a pre-sale. So first of all we have to paste here token address and make sure the all tokens created in our wallet. I can see here my wallet, and here is the balance inside ETH, and it will be fetch the token and the token balance. So we will search token, it will be auto fetch and name symbol and the token supply. Now we have to upload the logo, and here we will choose the banner, and here we will write the description. Here we write a short description, and here we will paste the website link, and here we can Telegram and X, and here we already calculate the price, how much we want to set tokens per ETH. So it will be, and here is the tokens per ETH, and the minimum liquidity will be 60%. We can make it 62 or 100, and you need to more SMITHY. Okay, let me decrease. Okay, soft cap will be 1 ETH, and the hard cap 5 ETH, and the minimum contribution is 0.01 ETH, and the maximum contribution 0.25 ETH. So here is the start date, so I can set for like next in the 2 days, and 12 a.m. Okay, and the uh, ending date I can select for the next month. Okay, so you can maximum set for um, 90 days here. Okay, and let me confirm. Okay, and the when the pre-sale successful, and finalize the pool, it will be lock the LP tokens for 1 years automatically, so they will not go in the control of the pre-sale creator. Okay, so I have to confirm again. Here is the logo, banner, description, website, like social media links, and the tokens per ETH, and liquidity minimum 60%, soft cap 1 ETH, hard cap 5 ETH, minimum contribution and the maximum, and the start time and the end time, and here is the minimum is LP locks day. So we have to approve this inventory. You can also read the details here. Okay, we are approving. Okay, here is the other transaction for the creation of the pre-sale. First we approve the tokens to the pre-sale contract and make sure the creation fee is 0.0258. This is the platform fee. So wait a moment because the banners and uh, uh, logo is under process to store, and here we are paying a fee and we also transferring the tokens to the contract, and here we will click on the confirm. Okay, so our transaction is confirmed. We also notify on the um, RobinSmith Launchpad or Telegram channel where you can join this, and also when a pre-sale launched or a liquidity pool launch, so you will get immediately information. Also you can join this. Let me show you. Here is the upcoming. Okay, so here is the upcoming pre-sale, and we can also uh, here is the pre-sale details, the banner, the logo and the details and the social, and also token information and the pre-sale information, and the here is the when the times end coming time, then we will get the buy button here. So using this method and the follow the instructions, you can create a pre-sale on the robinsmith.fun launchpad built on the top of Robinhood chain. Thanks.